What's up, my bomb ass subscribe? What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? I love you guys. I have missed you guys so much. I'm sorry I wasn't here Wednesday and Friday, but y'all, I'm back now. And today, y'all, we are unboxing our Colored Raine mystery box. Now, there's no sticker or nothing on the box, so... But I'm telling you, it's Colored Raine. Y'all, I am hoping and praying that there's some good stuff in this box. I have watched some of the reviews, and some people did not get all their products and stuff like that, so I'm hoping we got everything. And it was only $35. So I will definitely let you know in this video if it's worth it or not to pick one of these up. So without further ado, if you guys want to see this unboxing, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. I missed you guys. Okay, so as you guys can tell from the title below, we're going to be unboxing and possibly trying on some of the things out of my Colored Raine mystery box. Now, y'all, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I've never heard of this company before. I'm told it's sold in Target, but I've never seen it in my local Target. But one of my subscribers down below in the comments told me to check out this mystery box, and I said, well, let me check it out because it's $35 and you get $150 worth of product. Well, at least $150 worth of product. For $35, I'm like, let me watch some reviews first and see. So I watched some of the other reviews and they were, you know, kind of iffy. Some people got more than $150 worth. Some people didn't get all of their products, but I'm hoping today that we got everything that we were supposed to get. Now, for $35, you get 3 traditional lipsticks, 3 liquid matte lipsticks, a pair of eyelashes, a highlighter, a single eyeshadow, and I think that's it. But that's a lot, guys. 3 lipsticks, 3 liquid lipsticks, my goodness. So I'm hoping that in our box today, we have everything that we need. I paid a little bit over $40. I think it was $40 and some change because I paid the $5.99 for shipping. But without further ado, let's get right on into this unboxing because I'm so excited. As you guys notice, I do not have my lashes on today because we're supposed to get a pair in here. So if we do get that pair and I like them, I'll put them on today. So let's get into it, guys. It just came packaged in this white box. I did go ahead and cut the sides off because, y'all, this thing was taped up really good. So let's see what we got. Okay, so it's packaged like this. It comes, ooh, everything packaged really tight in this bubble wrap. And I also have something on the bottom here. Y'all, fingers crossed we got everything, right? Right. I did not peek inside to see, so I'm hoping, y'all, I'm hoping we got everything. Now, again, I will research online the prices, and I will try to put the prices at the bottom of the screen, and we will do the grand total towards the end of the video. First up, I am seeing this little bag here. Let's see what this is. So first up, we have this. I'm sorry if it's so bright, guys. This pretty little, we have this purpley little pink fluorescent color bag. I'm assuming that it's a makeup bag, but it's very nice. This is what the inside looks like. It's deep. It's flat, so I'm not sure how much stuff you can put in it. It has Colored Raine across the top here. So I'm very excited to see this. I don't know if this was an extra or what, but this is a pretty makeup bag. Y'all see it? Very pretty. Let's see what we got in our bubble wrap. So right up top, I see this, ooh, and the packaging is very pretty. I can't believe I've never heard of this company before. It's so sad. Okay, so right on top, we have this single eyeshadow, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like in the shade Intergalactic. Okay, so it comes like in this little single eyeshadow thing here, and it looks like it's like a, let me take it out so I can really see. It appears to be like I don't know, it looks like a brown base or maybe a purple base, and depending on how you turn it, you can see like greens and purples in it. It's very weirdly pretty. Okay, let's swatch it and see. Oh my God, it swatches very creamy. Okay guys, so that's what Intergalactic looks like. That is beautiful. Actually, it's like a green color. That is beautiful. And depending on how the light hits it, you can see all the different color specs. So, okay. I really don't use single shadows too much because I lose them. I put them places and I don't remember. But I'm going to try to keep this one out, guys, and in front of me so that we can use it in an upcoming look. Up next, we have these sexy eyelashes in the style CR013. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And we're hoping that they're big lashes. Y'all know I love dramatic lashes. Let's be prayerful. Let's see. Oh, please be what lashes I could wear today. Oh my God, guys, look at that. Those are perfect, perfect, perfect for me. I love them. They look like they're all the same length around. They are fluffy, wispy, and long. Thick. They look like they could be very natural, but you know we're gonna put them on. So I'm gonna put some glue on these really quick, let it set a little while, go through some of the other products, and then we're gonna pop them on. So let me put the glue on. All right, guys, I'm back. I have my glue sitting on the lashes, and we're gonna put them on in a second. Before that, let's go on into some more things. So up next, I am seeing this Focal Point Glow Lighter in Lavender Dreams. It's a pressed highlighter. Again, the packaging is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Let's see what color we got. Now it says Lavender Dream on the front. I don't know. This is how it looks outside of the packaging, guys. And let's see. Oh my God, guys. It is really, really lavender. Like, oh my goodness. That is... I don't know about this. Let's try it on and see. I don't know if I should swatch it or just give this away, because I don't know if I'll ever use this, honestly. What y'all think? I know what y'all want me to do. If I don't like it, I can always give it to a family member. I was gonna put in a giveaway for one of you guys, but, oh, and look what I just did. I hit it with my darn nail. So I guess it's meant to swatch. Let's swatch it first, and then we're gonna put some on. Ooh, it's very, very creamy. Ooh, and it's very purple. This is the highlighter here. Y'all, I don't know about this. Like, it is purple. Like, it's beautiful. It'll be a beautiful eyeshadow, but let's put it on and see. Ooh, girl, I don't know about this. Oh, girl, oh my God. Oh my goodness. Like, girl, I don't, oh, it's so purple. Oh, geez. It is like, oh, oh my God. Oh, y'all, like, I don't know about this little highlighter. I don't know. I think, oh, it's very pretty. I think it would be better as like a eyeshadow, maybe. Girl, it's like purple. So I don't know about this. It's a very pretty color. I may just use this for eyeshadow, but I don't know about highlighting my face with it. It's pretty, but ooh, I don't know. All right, let's pop our lashes on now because they should be dry enough. But I like it. Okay, we popped our lashes on, and y'all, these are gorgeous. These are just my style, but they are just dramatic enough for me. They make my eyes look sexy. They are my style of lash. They are beautiful. Move on to our other products really quick. So we did receive 3 traditional lipsticks here. We also received 3 of their liquid matte lipsticks. Now guys, I'm telling you, for $35 for all of this stuff so far, I mean, I'm thinking that this is like a good mystery box. And y'all know I had a bad experience on my last mystery box, but I mean, this is turning out to be a pretty good mystery box. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. But oh, look at the packaging on this. This is very, very, very cute. This is one of the lipsticks in the shade Arabian Night. Ooh, and it is very deep purple. Go, goodness. Now I will try on one of the lipsticks and one of the matte liquid lipsticks. So let's swatch this one first. This is oh, but it's so pretty. This is Arabian Nights swatched on my hand, and it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna try this one on. Let's do the other two, and then we're gonna decide. Up next, we have the shade Soul. It's like a nude color, guys. It's very, very pretty. It's like a mauve-y color. And we can swatch that one right next to the purple one. And this one is very pretty as well. You probably can't see it because it goes really good with my skin. It kind of blends in, but it's like a purpley, it's like a purple nude lipstick. I don't know, but it's very pretty. And last but not least, we have Cherry Blossom. Oh, okay. Well, y'all know it's red. I know how I feel about a red lip. This is the Cherry Blossom, and it is absolutely gorgeous. This is my type of color, I'm telling you. Oh, gosh. Girls and guys, look at that color. Ooh, this is my type of red. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I think we're going to try on Arabian Nights. I'm going to step outside of my comfort zone. I love all three of these shades. I can wear all three of them, but we're going to try on this purple one today because I never wear colors like that. And this is what Arabian Nights look like on my lips. What do you guys think? I like it. I kind of like it. I'm kind of digging it. It's something different for me. I think it's pretty. They go on very, very, very creamy. It's not, I don't think it's a matte lipstick. I don't think. Let's see. It's a satin lipstick, and it's vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. But they go on so creamy, and it's so pigmented. I like this color, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And also, I think I'm going to try all of the shades on and put it on my Instagram. So make sure you guys go and follow me on Instagram. All of my links are down below. I think I'm going to take a picture with all 6 shades on. So be on the lookout for that on Instagram. Let's move on to our matte lipsticks. Ooh, I love liquid lipsticks. I do. Okay, so the first one I have is Boss Bay. This is the outside packaging, and I'm telling you guys, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I never heard of these people before. And this is how the lipstick, the liquid lipstick look. That's the packaging there. And the shade is like, oh, it's a purple. It's like almost like the Soul shade. So this is that purple. Can y'all see that liquid lipstick right there? It's like a purple, pink mauve color. It's very pretty. I hope you guys can see it. It's very, very pretty. Love it. Up next, we have Spiked Punch. Let me show y'all the outside packaging for Spiked Punch. And let's see. And this is what Spiked Punch is looking like. Very pretty. It's like a, is it orange? Let's see. Ooh, it's like a orange red color. Look, this is Spiked Punch right there. It's like an orange red color. Very, very, very pretty. I don't know if I would wear that one, but it's very pretty. And last up, we have Royal. And this is how the packaging looks on Royal. And let's open it up and see. Girl, oh my goodness. This is Royal. Wow. It is like really royal blue. Wow. This is Royal, guys. Oh my goodness. So which one of these are we going to try on? Look at those colors. Which one am I going to try on? Oh, let's go with, I don't know. I'm going to put a little bit of Boss Bay on top, over top the one that I have on now. So let's put a little bit of Boss Bay on top of this one just to see. I know it won't be the true color. I'll put them on Instagram for you guys. That looks pretty mixed together. Wow, that looks really pretty actually. I like that. So this is how Boss Bay looks over top Arabian Night. Very pretty, guys. And last but not least, in our mystery box, we received this eyeshadow palette. Oh, upside down. Eyeshadow palette called Smoke Show. This eyeshadow palette here. And it slides out like that. And, oh, this is pretty. And these are the shades right there. Very, I hope that's not blinding you. Very, very, very pretty. So we have, it looks like 1 shimmer shade and 5 matte. You have like a green, this black color here. I'm gonna swatch them really quick on my arm so you guys can see. And then we're gonna, ooh, that black is gorgeous. Oh, that black is beautiful. And these are the colors swatched out here. The top 2 are a little powdery and they didn't swatch really well, but all of those dark colors and this black shade, oh God, it's gorgeous. Y'all, this is a beautiful fall palette. This is really, really, really beautiful. I cannot wait to use that. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so that was our last product. We're gonna do a recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna rate this box and we're gonna be done. We received these 3 liquid lipsticks here. We received these 3 traditional lipsticks here. We received this highlighter in lavender. We received this eyeshadow palette, Smoke Show. We received these eyelashes that I'm wearing right now, which are gorgeous also. Wait, and don't forget about our makeup bag. So that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products, guys. 10 products for $35. Oh my God. Oh, and also this single shadow in Intergalactic. See, that's why I don't like the single shadows. I forget about them. So that's like 11 products, I think. So final thoughts, this box is amazing. For a mystery box and you get all of these products for just $35, y'all, I am really, really, really pleased. I like the lipstick. I like the eyelashes. You get 3 full-size liquid lipsticks, 3 full-size traditional lipstick, a full-size highlighter, I mean, eyeshadow palette, a makeup bag, y'all, lashes that I could actually use and I like. What more can you ask for? I think that this box is amazing. I just got my box, so I think they still may have some more going on. I will put the link down below. If they do, y'all definitely need to pick this up because this is definitely, definitely worth it. This beautiful eyeshadow palette, it is worth it. So on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, I will never buy a mystery box again, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com. Every time they come out with a mystery box, I'm buying it. We're gonna give this box a solid 5. Great job, Colored Raine. I love these products. I love the lips. Everything was beautiful with the exception of this lavender highlighter. Now, this I will use for eyeshadow. I cannot highlight my face with that. That's just too much. But everything else I absolutely adore. So guys, that is all that I have for this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I have truly missed you guys. I'm sorry I didn't post any videos Wednesday and Friday, but we are back in full effect now. Follow me on social media because I will be posting all 6 shades of the lipsticks on my Instagram. The link is down below. I will also leave the link to Colored Raine down below. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to this channel and become part of my bomb-ass subscriber squad, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you will not miss when TonyaNicole posts. Okay, guys? Okay, so that's all that I have for you guys. Until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. I love you so much. Peace.